Today in my dish I have some geometric rings that are handmade, basically made in Iran and Mexico. So this one, I love the design. I got it from a local designer. As you know, or maybe you don't know, I'm saying now that I am collecting jewelry from local designers everywhere I travel, and those designers who has no voice, so they have not a big name, but they are creating amazing artworks and I love them. So I am here to support local designers from all over the places, because I started from a market and I know how that feels when no one knows you and you want to show your artworks, your creation. And here we go. I am showing you one of the beautiful, one of a kind actually. This is so beautiful. Look at the design, the texture, everything. How delicately they made this. Actually, I have no clue how they made it, but I love this texture. And this is for you if you like big rings, and this is so special. Then we have these trapezes shape. Very simple, very special and very unique. So if you are an architecture, you would definitely love this kind of geometric jewelry. In this case, we are talking about rings. And I even like to combine these rings together. See how cool they are together when you combine them. And let's look at this one. This one is made in Mexico a long time ago. I've been in Mexico. It was from my collection 2020. I still have it in my collection. These are my exclusive collection, so made only for one person that I believe the right person come and take it in a right time, so I don't rush to sell it, and I love them. This one is more minimal. You can see the square shape. It's so cool. See, you see the square, and then you see inside is round, and then you can see this shape in here. What was this shape name in English? I forgot, by the way. This is very unique. We have even more minimal. This is very tiny. Can you see? It's very cool. Love it, love it, love it. It's actually a design, really design. When you want to go for a fashion show, you want to look very stylish, I recommend geometric collection. Geometric jewelry are very stylish and unique when you want to style differently. And the last but not the least, this one is also my favorite one. It's a bit thick, and you see it's all square, but you have the finger shape round inside. But this is big for me, so if it fits you, come and grab it. So for now, that was all for today's video. These 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is my own. This is actually aluminum. It's very cool. I got it in Italy. This one is very cool. Actually, there is a brand. I will share with you the name of the brand. later. They are making all the jewelry with aluminum, recycled aluminum, and they make so cool pieces. I love it. By the way, we are talking about this collection today. And how did you like this collection?